BRTV. Hello everyone, I'm Lily. This is my sister, Lisa. Today, my sister will draw a makeup set. While she draws, I'll tell you an interesting story about learning to bake. Now let's draw pictures and listen to stories together. Learn to bake. Today, Lily and Alex went to school very happily. They are on their way home. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Lily. Oh, Alex, it's great to have you here.
Yes, I'm glad I met you.
Today, I make some cake for Lily. Do you want to eat it?
Yeah, I also want to eat too.
This is Lily's cake.
Oh, that's not a cake. It's a makeup box.
No, look closely.
Is it a real cake?
That's right. You should try it.
Yeah. Wow, it's delicious.
And this is Alex's cake.
Lisa, my cake is a broom, right?
Oh no, it's a makeup brush.
It turns out Alex's cake is a makeup brush.
You should try it.
Yes. Lisa, today's cake is very delicious. I like it so much.
If you want, I can make more cakes.
Yes.
Lisa, how do you make a makeup box cake?
I made the cake with a makeup box mold.
A mold?
It's very easy to make. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
First, we need some flour and eggs.
I'll go get the flour.
I'll go get the eggs.
Now, we will put the flour in the bowl, followed by the egg. Then, we will use an egg beater.
Oh, mixing the dough is so cool. I want to try it.
Okay, you can try it.
So Lily tried mixing the dough. Lily felt very excited.
Lily, do it slowly. Watch out for the flour splashing out.
Yes, I know. Because Lily mixed a bit too hard, a little flour flew out.
Lily, you splashed flour on my face.
Sorry, Alex. I will be more careful.
Okay, now we will divide the dough into small balls.
For what?
We will add color to the dough.
Yeah, I love the added color.
I like it too.
What color will you choose now, Lily?
I want red, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
You choose too many colors.
And what color do you want, Alex?
I want pink and purple.
Now let's mix the colors.
Looks like the three kids really enjoy mixing colors. We're done mixing. Now, what do we do next?
We'll pour the dough into the mold. I'll put the red dough into a heart-shaped mold.
I will put the pink dough into the makeup mold.
You did great!
Now I'm going to fill the circles with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink.
I will put red, yellow, orange, and blue dough into the lipstick mold.
It's wonderful. I really like baking. When I grow up, I want to become a baker.
I want to put yellow, orange, and green dough to the macaron mold.
Finally, the group you finished making your cakes.
Now let's bake the cake?
Yes.
Okay, we'll bake the cake for 20 minutes.
In the meantime, Lily and Alex play with toys. Lisa, I think the cake is done.
Maybe it's time.
Wow, our cake is delicious.
Lisa, can I bake my cake for 5 more minutes? I think it will taste better.
Okay.
So Alex baked his cake for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, Lily was enjoying the cake she made herself. Wow, it's delicious. It's even better than Lisa's cake.
Of course, Lily is the #1 baker. Alex, I think your cake is done.
Yes! Oh no! It's burned out.
Alex felt very sad because his cake was burned. Alex, your cake is burned black. Do you want to eat my cake?
Really?
Hey, you can eat my cake.
Thank you, Lily. Wow, your cake is delicious. But I think it will taste better if baked for 5 more minutes.
Then my cake will burn just like yours. Today I feel very happy and cheerful. I hope you have fun too. The video is over. Goodbye everyone and see you in the next video. Goodbye.